Dr. Ulysses Jackson, man. Today we're going to talk about the importance of having a dream. I used to talk to my partner, Paul, sometime, and we were kicking it when we were starting the company, Hummingbird Botanical. And he used to say to me, you know, Doc, man, you know what the most important thing about what we're doing is? I'm like, what's that, P? He said, having a dream. You know, having goals and aspirations, that setting up something we wanted to do. So if you wake up in the morning and you don't have nothing planned or nothing to do, you're going to get just nothing out of it. You have the same 8 hours that I have. And as I heard somebody say, I didn't come this far just to come this far. So always try to plan ahead. You know, even with me having a goal and a dream, I knew no doctors growing up. The closest person to a doctor that I saw as I was finishing my doctoral degree was a friend that I went to school with, became a chiropractor. Another friend of mine that I grew up with became a dentist. I had no reference points on how to become a doctor and clinical research, and also to move forward and say, you know what, I'm going to specialize in mental health. I had no reference point to that, but I made it a dream. I said, I'm going to become that. And I had something ahead of me. It's like we're going on vacation, and all the other have the bucket list. You say, I want to go to Australia. I want to go to Egypt. I want to go to Africa. It starts with the dream. And then with the dream, guess what you do? You put work in with the dream. Now you have goals associated with a dream to get from A to B. Some of us have stopped dreaming and settled. And then we look to our left and our right and say, it's because of the kids. It's because of her. It's because of them that I never reached my goal. And I said to myself, man, as I get older, I never want to find myself sitting on the edge of the bed saying, I didn't reach a goal or I didn't reach a dream because of him or because of her or because of the kids. I didn't want to do that to me. I said, so hell or high water, I'm going to become his doctor. Then when I became a doctor in clinical research, I had to pass the test. That licensed mental health examination is no joke. So I had to say, I had to really want that. I had to breathe that into existence. I had to claim that, you know? So now what I do today sometimes, man, when I think of some disorders that I help people with a lot, which is anxiety, depression, relationship issues, you know, that causes certain behaviors to happen, I say, man, get dream orientated, get goal orientated. You know, set a goal. You know, I'm gonna be here next year. You know, that's why they say when we were younger, where do you see yourself in 5 years? That was the foundation, the seeds for the dream. What you gonna do? So let's do this, man. Let's set up what you want to do this summer, and then set some goals to reach that dream. So this is Dr. Ulysses Jackson, man. Let's get more goal orientated and dream orientated, man.